Okay, let's do a little this or that action. I'm going on the warm side with some Tangerine, building that up, giving my eye the depth and dimension. I'm using the eyeshadow brush, adding extra in the corner and then underneath. Then on the lid, I'm going to add a little bit of Angel's Landing. This has quite a bit of shimmer to it, making sure it's blended into the Tangerine nicely. Now let's go into that, a cooler version using Trust eyeshadow. You have to use a very, very light hand when you go in with a deep dark color like Trust. Again, flipping the brush over to add the depth in the outer corner and a little swipe underneath. This is a great option for a cooler eyeshadow, and also this color works good for eyebrows as well. The next thing I'm going to do is on the lid, I'm going in with Rome, which has far less shimmer than Angel's Landing, but gives a really pretty finish. So if you're afraid of shimmer, try Rome. Guys, that is it for this eye look. Which one do you like better? Tell me below.